Hello and welcome to my phonetic channel. Today I am going to talk about two diphthongs which are I and Oi. Last time I talked about A. This time I am going to talk about I. This is a sound symbol for I. 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 I, E, I. And this is a sound symbol for the sound Oi. This is a sound symbol for the sound Oi. O, E, O, E, O, E, Oi. Now let's see an example for the sound I. I as in file. I as in rise. Again, I as in file. I as in rise. Let's see the examples in details. The word file. Transcribe the word. Transcribe the word. Again. Transcribe meaning that you change the word spelling into word sound symbols. What does that mean? We change every letter in the word to the sound for this word, to the sound for this letter. We change the letter F to its sound. We change the letter I to its sound. We change the letter L to its sound. We change the letter E to its sound. So, transcribing means changing the letter of the word into the sounds, into the corresponding sounds. Well, in each lesson I've give you attention and I told you that all of the consonant letters, 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 transcribing them will take the same sound symbol as the letter itself, except the letter C, except the combination of the two letters S and H, except the combination of the two letters C and H, except the combination of the two letters G and H. These we'll talk about them in details in later lessons. But now, all of the consonant letters, when transcribing them, takes the same sound symbol as the letter. What does that mean? What is the sound symbol for the letter F? It is F as well. So, but what is the sound? The sound of the letter F is F, 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 F. Yes, the sound of the letter F is F, 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 F. Okay, what's next? In the word file, what did you hear after F? What did you hear after F? You said Fi, like you are saying Fi, 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 Fi. All together makes Fi. So we heard after F, Fi, Fi. It's correct, it's the letter I. After the consonant sound, give us the sound I. So Fi, Fi, Fi. So we write the sound symbol for the letter. So for this letter. L and E altogether makes the sound L. I told you, when the letter E comes at the end of the word, does it make sound? The sound is for the letter that previous that or that is before the letter A. So the sound for the letter L is L. L. So F I L. F I L. F I L. File. Another example for the word rice. It has the same rule as the word fire. Now let's move on to the next sound, which is oi. This is a sound symbol for the sound oi. O E. O E. It is very simple. The letter O and the letter I makes the sound oi. Oi as in noise. Oi as in noise. Oi as in coin. Oi as in boy. Oi as in oil. Oi as in noise. Transcribe the word. What is the sound for the letter N? It's na, 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 na. The sound for the letter N is na, na, na. So, since the letter N is a consonant letter, the sound is na, and the sound symbol is N, like this letter. What did you hear after na? We said noi, 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 n, oi, n, oi, n, oi, n, oi. What is the sound of the letter O and Y? The sound of the letter O and Y, on O and I, comes according to the sound that is before it. The sound before it is N. What is after it? Noi. Noi. So O here is for the sound, these two letters. N, oi. What is after? Noise. No, oi, z, z, z. Since looks like these two letters makes the sound z, z. I told you again. The E letter in the final of the word, in the final position of the word. So does it make sound? The sound is for the letter S. S means the sound Z, noise, not noise. Noise. Z, z, z. What is the sound symbol for the sound Z? Z. It's Z, of course. So it is N, O, Z. N, O, Z. N, O, Z. Noise. Final example, last example for this another example for the sound oi is the word boy. What is the sound for the word for the letter B? P, 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 p. What next? We said boy. P, oi, p, oi, poi, p. What is the sound for the letter OY? How do we know the sound of the letter OY? We know the sound of the letter OY according when we say the sound for the previous letter. What's the previous letter? It's B. It means the sound P, P. So what's after P? When we say the word boy, P, boy. Of course, it will be Y, boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Is it the sound yeah? Yes, that's right. P, boy. There is something like O here after the P. Boy, boy. When we say like this, boy, boy, there is an O. There is an O in the word. It's like that. There is an O in the word. Like we say boo, po, b, o. This is b and o makes po, po, po. Got it? This is a sound for b, p, p. We say po, p, o. This is the first one is p. Then o, o, and o. And O makes O again. P makes a sound O. The word is po, po. So the sound for B is P. The sound for O is O. The sound for O is O. The sound for O is O. All together makes P O. Po. Now let's go back to our example. The sound for B here is B. We said boy, po, po. So what is after B? Is O, as I showed you. Po, boy, yeah. What's after O? Yeah, yeah. It is for the Y. It's for the Y. So it is boy, p, oi. O, and this one is oi. Oi. Looks like the Y is in the final of the word. When Y comes to the final of the word, it makes yeah, the sound yeah. So it is all together oi. Or I is a sound symbol for that. Oi. Got it now. Another and the last example is the word oil. And this is the easiest example at all. The word oil. 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 What's the sound symbol for the word for the letter L? It's L. 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 So it's L as it is. L. 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 What's the sound symbol for O and I? Here in the word we said oil. Oi. So it's oi. It's oi as it is, as it says oi. Oi. We are saying the sound symbol. When we are saying the word oil, oi, we are saying the sound symbol is as oi. That's our lesson for today. I hope that you understand these two symbols which are I, oi. The previous one was A. I hope that you understood these three ones. A, I, O. Remember, an example for the sound A is fail, sail, wait, ate. An example for the sound I as in file, as in die. I as in die. I as in cry. You got it? Cry. Oi as in boy. Oi as in oil. Oi as in noise. That's our lesson for today. Have a good time. Goodbye.